Hi, I'm Wyatt and I'm a Solution Focused clinical hypnotherapist with a full-time practice up in Aberdeenshire. The reason I'm talking to you today is I'm excited to be able to announce that I'm now one of 2 senior lecturers taking over the Clifton Practice Hypnotherapy Training School in Edinburgh. My colleague Alex Brownshire and I are so excited to be able to bring this course once again to the city. My background is originally as a speech and language therapist. I worked in the NHS for 18 years, and as part of that, latterly 50% of my job was delivering training. I guest lectured at university, I taught in-house colleagues, I also trained other professionals, anybody who needed to understand key principles behind how children communicate. It's a passion of mine. The opportunity now to be able to add that into my career mix is fantastic. In terms of Solution Focused Hypnotherapy, I trained in the Clifton practice in Plymouth, and I've had a full-time business right from the word go. I continue to see many clients a week and have been working for many years now, having seen hundreds of clients along the way. So to the course I bring not only experience of adult teaching, but also an in-depth and ongoing practical experience of working with clients. We're bringing the most wonderful course to you, with 1 in 4 of us experiencing mental health difficulties at any point in time, and with pressure on the NHS growing, there's never been a greater need for highly qualified practitioners in the field, particularly in the private sector. Clifton Practice Hypnotherapy Training provides you with just that. High quality teaching, well structured, embedding practical practice every single weekend. Right from the beginning, you're going to be working with your own clients, starting off with friends and family. Towards the end of course, you're going to be charging half price, and you will be working with people, with strangers, and people who have found you because of your own marketing, which, by the way, we also give you a module on how to achieve. We cover all sorts: anger, anxiety, depression, confidence boosting, pain, phobias, weight loss, you name it, we cover it. We provide one of the most practical courses, and you will come out with a recognised diploma, recognised by the CNHC, which is one of the regulatory bodies that the General Medical Council want to see hypnotherapists holding. If you are interested, please do contact us. You can contact us through the Facebook page, contact us through our website, which is www.cphtedinburgh.co.uk. We'd be delighted to talk to you and give you more information. We really do look forward to meeting you soon. Bye.